What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, and thank you for stay tuned. And in the meantime that we are working on the spoiler and the rear bumper, we are going to take these wheels to the place here in Nashville where they it needs to be fixed. Like, it has a big dent and it's got big damage in here. We will see if they can fix it, and then after that we are gonna powder coat it. The wheel has been fixed already, and now it's time to take it to the powder coating shop. But for you guys, there's gonna be just a second because I did not record it when we drop it off, so I just recorded when we picked them up. So basically it's gonna be right now. And here is the place where I took it. It's in Lebanon area. You might, if you guys live here in Nashville area, you might would like to give him a call. If you had something to powder coat it, he's gonna be able to do it. There they are. Oh my goodness, they look gorgeous.
Yeah, it wants a nice color.
Yeah. Damn. Okay guys, we already picked them up. They look so good. I really like the way they look now, but I'm just hoping that it's gonna be alright on the car because I'm a little afraid and then how this is gonna look, but hopefully it will be alright. And guess what, we got the stickers. Yes sir, we're about to install them. We're gonna put them on and see how they're gonna look. I'm pretty sure they're gonna look good. I just bought this for $7 or something like that on eBay. I ordered 4 of them, and I started because I thought they were like a single one, like a single piece, but no, it's one sheet with 5 NISMO stickers, and I got 3 extra. That's alright. That's good. All right, let's put them on. It looks just like from factory. That's how you're supposed to do it. Okay, let's continue. This is the right spot where you're gonna put the stickers on. This is the for your air valve. You got all this logo here, the brand where they made from, and this is the right spot. So make sure you guys don't miss that, because I didn't really know at first where should I put the sticker on, and then this is my reference right here, because I sold another wheels. Where is the spot that the original was, in case your wheel doesn't have the sticker and you don't know where you should put the sticker. So this is your reference right here, and the sticker should go right here on the left side. The left side of the book. I don't know, this video might help somebody out there, might not, I don't know. I have that one ready. Whenever you guys gonna do that, make sure you guys wash the wheels, or wash at least the spot where you guys gonna put the sticker on. Once we got this, we already know the measurements. You're gonna do this again, 1.5 inches from here. Sort of, and 3/4 of an inch. That's only if you really want to do like really good. I like to have it like in the right spot or in the right place, so that way it's not gonna be crooked. Three-quarters. Then we go over here 1 inch and 1/4. 1 1/4. And that is where it's gonna go from here. That's the part where it should go. And there it is. And that's how they look, guys. They come up pretty good. The car is not ready. I still work boiler. I gotta paint that tomorrow, so that's why I have it like this. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. So we continue with my Black Z. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'm pretty sure you guys gonna be around, so that way you guys gonna see how that's gonna look on the car. Alright, see you in the next one, guys.